Well, hello, welcome back. We're still here at Swindon Road level crossing, and we've crossed over to the other side because it's nice and shady, and also it's because you see both sides of the crossing. There's some stinging nettles next to me, so I better be careful where I put my arms. But for now, we're waiting for a train, a cross-country train, from Manchester to Bristol Temple Meads, and there's also a slug making its way toward my tripod. You wouldn't think slugs would be active in this very nice hot weather, but yes, there is a slug currently making its way to the leg of my tripod. I don't think it's the best idea, really. I poke it. It's turning away now, so it's got the message. So anyway, we're waiting for a cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads. There we go, cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads. That slug is still going for my tripod. Oh well. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next video.